Hello, assalamu alaikum, my friends. We are ready to enhance our tech skills using the latest technology in the market of AI called OpenClaw. Yes, we are on that journey. And I'm excited to share with all of the travelers that OpenClaw has just released something that is powerfully amazing, and that is the one-liner installation process, which makes it super easy for even the very non-technical users to enjoy surfing OpenClaw. So let's start. What is this OpenClaw one-liner installation process? First, you have to go to the OpenClaw website, and then you go to the quick start section. They have multiple types of installation processes: npm, hackable, macOS, but we are prompting with one liner. Why? Because by using npm, you need to have Node.js installed, you need to have Git installed. But one liner is the process that scrutinizes, checks your computer, and finds whether you have the Node.js and Git present or not. If not, it will automatically install the most stable versions on your machine and then install OpenClaw for you. And so that basically is that you don't need to set up the launchpad for your rocket yourself. OpenClaw is going to do that for you too. So I am excited to experiment on this. I will just copy this part, open the PowerShell on my computer with administrative rights. It's always good to run the PowerShell with administrator rights, so nothing comes across your way when you are enjoying coding. So here I just have to tap this, and all of the installation processes are going to start. I have done it on my computer, so it will say Windows OK, Node.js OK, and OpenClaw OK. But on your computers, it will say we are going to install OpenClaw right now. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy OpenClaw on your machines.